Enjoy the tutorial. Hey guys! Today I will show you how to make a clicker game in Scratch. So please subscribe, like, and tell me in the comments for the next tutorial. First, you need a button. Once you get the button, make a variable called score. Then drag the set score to 0 block to the when flag clicked block. Now get the when sprite clicked block and snap on the change score by 1 block to the when this sprite is clicked block. Now make a new variable called high score. Make it a cloud variable.